Hi, it's Jamie here from the retailer support team at Stovax Gazco. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a completely new product range joining our portfolio of innovative electric fires, the brand new Gazco eMotiv. This new and exciting electric fire range is especially good for the renovation market, and whilst they'll certainly make for a stunning addition to any media wall, the eMotiv really excels when modernising existing fireplace openings with its super quick installation. The eMotiv is available in 3 different sizes, the 64, 74 and 84. All feature a unique tapered design which allows them to slot into existing chimney openings with ease. With mesmerising flame and ember bed effects, powered by our advanced Chromalight technology, these spectacular new electric fires are competitively priced, ensuring they're accessible without sacrificing on quality. Stay with us as we delve deeper into what makes the eMotiv a standout choice for your customers, as well as everything you need to know to make the most of these outstanding electric fires in your showrooms. eMotiv fires benefit from a tapered firebox design, making it incredibly easy to slot into existing fireplace openings. The integrated frame is well suited for inset installations in a feature wall. Alternatively, the bottom panel easily detaches to cater for half-mounted installs. The 2 included suction cups make it easy to lift and remove the glass, aiding easy arrangement of the fuel bed, as well as future cleaning and maintenance. Arranging the fuel bed couldn't be simpler, with locator dots indicating the ideal placement of each log effect piece. eMotiv electric fires benefit from a programmable thermostatic eco remote control, as well as an app that can be found on the App Store or via Google Play. In this video, we'll cover the features of the remote control, and a step-by-step guide on the app and all its features can be found on our website. To get started using the eMotiv, first ensure the on-off switch on the fire is in the on position. A long beep will be heard, indicating that the fire's control panel and remote control can now be used. Pressing the power button on the remote will turn the fire on. It will alight in the last remembered setting. To adjust the flame effects, press the flame button followed by the 2 arrows to cycle through amber, amber with blue accent and blue flame colours. Press once more to turn off the flame effect. There are 5 brightness levels which can be adjusted using the plus and minus buttons. To adjust the fuel bed lighting, press the fuel bed button, then use the arrows to cycle through the 8 colours as well as the spectrum mode, which will gradually loop through all the colours as before. Press once more to turn off the fuel bed lighting. You can use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the brightness of the fuel bed. For the heating setting, press the heating button to cycle between low, high, off and auto. You can use the plus or minus buttons to adjust your desired room temperature. If you want to set the eMotiv to run for a certain amount of time before returning to standby, you can press the timer button to cycle through the timer options, which you will see displayed on the remote control screen. To turn off the appliance entirely, simply press the power button. To change the temperature display between Fahrenheit and Celsius, simply hold down one of the arrow buttons for 3 seconds, followed by the power button to save your preference. Before carrying out any maintenance tasks, ensure the appliance is turned off and allowed to fully cool down. Maintaining the eMotiv is really simple. The glass can be wiped with a clean damp cloth and buffed dry with a lint-free duster. To clean the oak log effects, you'll first need to remove the glass. To do this, simply attach the included suction cups and lift up and away from the fire. Take care when doing this. Place the glass to one side somewhere safe. This now allows you easy access to the fuel bed. The oak log effects can be cleaned by lightly dusting using a lint-free duster. To clean the air inlets, again you can use a lint-free duster. We recommend cleaning the air inlet and outlet grills regularly with a soft cloth or the nozzle of a vacuum cleaner to keep the eMotiv working at its best. To replace the batteries in the remote, simply slide off the back cover and replace using 2 high-quality alkaline batteries such as a Duracell Pro Cell. We recommend the batteries in the remote are replaced at least once a year. Now, if you've replaced the batteries and you're still having difficulty using the remote to control the fire, resetting and repairing the remote can solve most issues. First, ensure the on-off switch on the fire is in the on position. To reset the remote, first remove the back cover, then press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds. To pair the remote with the fire, press and hold the power button on the fire until 2 short beeps can be heard. Within 10 seconds, press the power button on the remote. You should hear 1 long beep from the fire to indicate pairing is complete. For more information on the app, there is a quick start guide available via our website. As you can see, the eMotiv is a fantastic addition to our electric range. Its fantastic flame and ember bed technology and super simple installation will appeal to all manner of customers. Don't forget to remind them to register for their extended warranty. In doing so, they'll have a chance to win back the cost of their product. For a second chance to win, they can also add a few nice words or photos to our customer showcase. If you have any questions or to order the new eMotiv for your showroom, get in touch with your sales rep today. Otherwise, we hope this video has been helpful in giving you all the information you need to get up and running with the fantastic new eMotiv electric fire.